All right, to use the isometric digital tool here, you're going to use this plus box button right here. And you're going to want to start in the middle. You'll notice if you're on one of the edges, it's red. You could pick whatever color you want to change it. And you'll just add different cubes here, however you want. Now be careful, because when you use this tool, it looks like the recycling rotate tool here. It reminds me of the recycling symbol. You can use that to click and rotate, but sometimes you'll rotate and realize that a cube is actually not together where you want it to be, although it appears to be. Like here it looks like it's attached. Oh, it actually is there, but sometimes it won't be. Okay, so you can use the plus box, you can use this recycling looking rotate tool to look around and see different sides. And then the other tool that you'll want here is this eraser button, and that helps you get rid of any cubes that you do not want there. So your job today is to just put together different cubes. You could use different colors. You're just making an object with a hole in the middle. So when you rotate it here, you should be able to see the hole through it. And then you'll just want to take a screenshot and add it into the 1.2 isometric sketch document assignment on Google Classroom. Thank you. Hope to see you guys soon.